So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space network diagnostics web, and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the internet connections troubleshooter. And now once you run this, you want to click on next. And then select troubleshoot my connection to the internet. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in manage network adapter settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to find your Wi-Fi. For me it says Ethernet, for you it should be saying Wi-Fi. Once you find Wi-Fi, you want to disable it. Wait for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you want to enable it again. After you enable it, check if it came back, the Wi-Fi icon. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on reset now, and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And then hopefully this will fix your problem.